Hi and welcome to the Beginner Yin Yoga course Level 1, Day 3. My name is Gaia, as you probably know by now, and we will be exploring one of my absolute favorite poses in Yin Yoga today, as well as revisiting one we have already tried. So let's get right into it. Make your way onto your back in whichever way feels best for you. And I want you to keep your knees facing the ceiling for now. Settle in, make sure that the back of your neck is long. And then just let your knees fall out to the sides as much as they choose to. Bring your feet together to touch. And then you can rest your hands on your stomach, one on your stomach, one on your heart. You can keep them down by your sides with the palms facing up or down. Just choose what feels best for you in this very moment. This is called a Reclined Butterfly, and it is a very beautiful hip opening position that also includes an element of rest, of peace. So simply settle in, and we'll be here for about 2 minutes. Begin to deepen your breaths, preparing your body for movement. And I want you to use your hands to support your thighs as you bring your knees back up to face the ceiling. Take a moment to settle here. And we are going to move into a reclined child's pose. If you have done day 1 of this course, then you already know this pose. Bring your legs in towards your chest. You can hug them in tight. Keep your hands on the shins or on your thighs. The main thing I want you to pay attention to is that the back of your neck is long, that your shoulders are down and relaxed. Begin to deepen your breath, and then gently place your feet back on the mat. We're going to move into Savasana next. So extend your legs long. Let your feet flop. Bring your arms out by your sides with the palms facing up. Again, you can always take the variation where your knees come in towards each other. Your feet are on the edges of the mat if that feels better for you. And just settle into the stillness. Begin to deepen your breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a nice deep stretch if that feels good to you. And then just gently roll onto your side for a few more breaths. And whenever you're ready, use your hands to push yourself up into a seat and meet me on the mat in an easy seat, kneeling, whatever feels best for you. Place your hands together at the heart and we'll take a few moments in gratitude. Thank yourself for showing up here, for doing something beautiful for your body, your mind, your spirit. And I want you to be so proud of yourself for showing up to this practice. You are doing an absolutely amazing job. And I want you to celebrate yourself fully for the work that you're doing here. Thank you.